Lesson Sharp 5 Exercise Sharp 4 The practice of red line aimed at the activation point of the Ming-Men. During the practice, we must check how we sit. If on the sofa, then it is better to sit cross-legged in Turkish style. Then we spread our arms a little wider, you can put them on the pillows. When we are in a transparent transcendental column, we move a little. If someone has lumbar lordosis and the hip is slightly turned forward, it must be turned back, because the transcendental line must go through the coccyx, it should be under you. If the coccyx is turned inward, it means that there was some kind of injury, and it is necessary to do the opposite, that is, sit so that the coccyx is in the transcendental line. First part 1. Imagine a transparent line inside our spine. It reaches to the back of the head, from the back of the head goes up to the sky, and from the coccyx down to the center of the earth. The result is a long transparent column that rises to the sky. Imagine a transparent column. 2. Enlarge our transparent column, imagine that it has become as thick as your arm. Then visualize that the column has become as thick as 2 arms. Imagine that it is in front as a body wide and in the back it protrudes slightly from the body. We increase it and our column becomes so big that we find ourselves inside in a transparent column. Visualize it further. Second part Phase 1. Draw a triangle with the Ming-Men point. From the base of the ring finger of the left hand we draw a transparent ray to the Ming-Men point. From the Ming-Men point to the base of the ring finger of the right hand joined with the left hand. Imagine a transparent triangle for 30 seconds. Second stage. We present the images alternately every 3 seconds, a transparent column, a transparent triangle with a Ming-Men point for 10 minutes. Third stage. We represent the Ming-Men point in a transparent column and add energy breathing by the Ming-Men point. 1. Inhale, white energy enters from the back into the Ming-Men point, pause. 2. Exhale, light gray energy goes from the back in an arc down into the ground. Breathe for 30 seconds. Fourth stage. We perform alternately for 20 minutes. Once every 3 seconds, we present images, a transparent column, a transparent triangle with a Ming-Men point, -30 seconds, breathe with the Ming-Men point, inhale, imagine the Ming-Men point in a transparent column, exhale. As a result of the practice, you should feel the transparent column, its transparent core, and the Ming-Men point in the column and triangle. When the Ming-Men point is activated, transparent energy will enter and exit it. This can happen in the 7th or 10th session if you practice daily. Third part -1. We consolidate the effect of practice, imagine alternately for 30 seconds a transparent column, a triangle with a Ming-Men point for 3-5 minutes. Final part -1. The transparent column decreases and decreases, the arms seem to squeeze the column, and it becomes smaller. We imagine that it has become the size of our body, the hands return to the lower dantian. 2. Imagine a transparent column the size of our body, and then, how it shrinks and shrinks, becoming the size of our 2 arms. Then visualize a transparent column the size of 1 arm. 3. Imagine how our column decreases from top to bottom, gathering at the point of Baihua. In the same way, it is collected from the bottom up, in the coccyx. Now the transparent line is only in our body. Imagine it in our body for 3-5 seconds and finish the practice. You cannot deal with water after practicing the red line for about an hour.